Welcome to our guide on linking Google Search Console to Ahrefs. Let's start by understanding what this integration is and why it's important for SEO professionals. Linking Google Search Console to Ahrefs enables Ahrefs to pull in your website's organic search data directly from Google's platform. This includes valuable metrics like search queries that users entered, the number of times your pages appeared in search results, clicks received, and your average ranking positions. The integration imports key data types from Google Search Console, including the actual search queries that brought users to your site, the number of times your pages appeared in search results, known as impressions, the clicks those results received, and your average positions in the search engine results pages. Why does this matter? The integration combines Ahrefs' powerful analysis tools with real user data from Google, giving you a holistic view of your website's search performance. It helps you spot valuable keywords that drive actual clicks, monitor changes in search engine results, and optimize your content to maximize user engagement rather than just visibility. This leads to more effective SEO strategies and better results. Before linking Google Search Console to Ahrefs, ensure your website is set up and verified in GSC. This verification confirms ownership and allows data access. Visit the Google Search Console website to begin setup. Once logged in, add your website as a property in GSC. Verify ownership using one of several methods provided by Google. For HTML file upload, download and place the verification file on your website. For HTML tag, add the meta tag to your website's head section. For domain name provider, add the TXT record through your DNS settings. Alternatively, link to your Google Analytics account if already set up. Choose the method that works best for you and complete verification. This step is essential as Ahrefs requires confirmed ownership to import your data. Now let's walk through the process of linking GSC to Ahrefs. First, log into your Ahrefs account and navigate to Site Explorer or Rank Tracker. Go to Settings, then find and click on Google Search Console. Click Add Property and authorize access through Google's OAuth flow. You'll be prompted to select the specific GSC property you want to link. After selecting, Ahrefs will start the verification process. This might take a few minutes to a couple of hours. Be patient, and once connected, data will start importing automatically. Once your Google Search Console is linked to Ahrefs, the platform begins importing valuable data that provides insights into your website's search performance. First, Ahrefs imports the search queries that users are typing into Google to find your website. This reveals the exact keywords driving traffic to your site. Next, the data includes impressions, the number of times your website appeared in Google search results, regardless of whether users clicked on it. Ahrefs also imports click data, the actual number of times users clicked on your website from the search results, showing user engagement. Finally, the average position shows where your website typically ranks for those search queries, helping you understand your competitive standing. Ahrefs allows you to filter this imported data by date range, device type such as mobile or desktop, and search type, including web, image, or video searches. Understanding this data is key to identifying optimization opportunities, such as improving click-through rates or targeting better-performing keywords. The GSC data within Ahrefs is a goldmine for keyword research. Start by analyzing queries that bring in impressions but few clicks. These are prime candidates for optimizing your title tags and meta descriptions. Next, identify keywords you're ranking for but haven't explicitly targeted in your content. This uncovers opportunities to create dedicated content around those topics. Finally, combine GSC data with Ahrefs keyword difficulty scores to prioritize keywords that are both relevant and achievable. One of the most powerful uses of this integration is optimizing your content for better click-through rates, or CTR. First, identify pages with high impressions but low CTR in Ahrefs. These are the pages that show up in search results but don't get many clicks. Then rewrite your title tags and meta descriptions to be more compelling and relevant to the search queries. Use action verbs, highlight key benefits, and create a sense of urgency to make your snippets more appealing. Monitor the changes in GSC data within Ahrefs to see the impact of your optimizations over time. Remember, even a small increase in CTR can significantly boost your organic traffic. Sometimes you might encounter issues when linking GSC to Ahrefs. A common problem is the insufficient permissions error. This usually means the Google account you're using in Ahrefs doesn't have full access to the GSC property. To fix this, ensure you have at least owner or full access permissions in GSC. You can check and update permissions in the Users and Permissions section of GSC settings. Another issue involves GSC data limits and API rate errors. GSC limits data to things like 1,000 queries per property per day. If you experience rate limit errors, especially during high traffic periods, simply try again later. Always double-check your GSC setup if the data in Ahrefs seems incomplete or inaccurate. This ensures everything is properly configured and the integration is working correctly. The trend of integrating SEO tools like GSC and Ahrefs is only going to increase. This combination allows for a holistic view of search performance by merging Google's organic data with Ahrefs' backlink and keyword insights. Expect deeper AI integrations in the future. For example, Ahrefs will enhance its AI-powered keyword suggestions by incorporating GSC data, enabling predictive click-through rates that help forecast user behavior and optimize content strategies. As zero-click searches rise, such as those featuring snippets where users get answers directly on the search page without clicking through, GSC Ahrefs linking becomes even more critical. This integration helps optimize beyond just rankings by understanding and aligning with user intent. Staying on top of these integrations and utilizing them effectively will give you a significant competitive advantage in the ever-evolving world of SEO, allowing for faster insights and more informed strategies. Keep an eye on privacy updates, as regulations like GDPR and CCPA may require more explicit consent for data sharing in the future, ensuring compliance while maintaining access to valuable insights.